Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The island of Puerto Rico has no power. The hurricane hit early this morning and is still hitting the island of Puerto Rico. The latest update is not good. Basically, the whole island without power. They are expecting between 12 and 18 inches of rain. Maximum sustained winds are 85 miles an hour. It is moving north-northwest very slowly. So be aware of the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos. Basically, the Bahamas is the next threat. It's going to hit. It's going to go north of the Dominican Republic.